Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Andrea, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on this Gen Nude Blonzer makeup look. First things first, I'm going to apply the Complexion Rescue Hydrating Foundation Stick. I apply it directly to my face, and I like to focus on the areas where I need the most coverage. Now I'm going to take my smoothing face brush just to blend everything together. I also use the foundation stick as a concealer. I love to use my fingertips and I just swirl the top of the foundation stick and I apply the product directly under my eyes. Now that my complexion is done and blended beautifully, it is time for brows. So I use the Strength and Length Brow Gel, and I like to apply this straight to my brows without any other product. I gently brush my brows upward for a natural look. Next up are the eyes. I'm going to be using one of my favorite palettes. This is the Gen Nude Copper Eyeshadow Palette. First brush I'm going to use is the Expert Shadow and Liner Brush. Taking the shade Truth from the palette, I'm going to pack the shade all over my eyelids. Now, using my blender brush, I'm going to blend everything out so there are no harsh edges. I want this shadow to wrap around my eye, so I'm going to go back to my Expert Shadow and Liner Brush, and I'm going to dip into Truth using the liner side, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. So my favorite part of the look, I'm going to dip into Bonfire using the same brush, and I'm going to apply Bonfire right on top of Truth. To complete this eye look, I'm going to use my Strength and Length mascara and apply it to both my top and bottom lashes. One of my favorite things about this mascara is that it has a serum that actually helps your lashes grow. And now for the lips, I'm going to be using the Mineralist Hydro Smoothing Lipstick in the shade Insight. This shade is so beautiful and it's really close to my natural lip color. Now to complete the entire makeup look, I'm going to be using the bareMinerals Gen Nude Blonzer. Gen Nude Blonzer is a 2-in-1 product. It gives you the benefits of a blush and a bronzer in just one swipe. So I apply the product on the outer bridge of my nose and I blend it upwards towards my temple. As I finish with both sides, I like to connect and blend everything out using the W formation. I love the way this makeup look turned out. The Gen Nude Blonzer really pulled the entire look together. I love how it looks like on my skin. Just overall so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video.